I don't know if you can see the snow in this video. We're gonna hope so. But it is coming down like crazy and blowing, and it's just kind of insane. Pardon the squeaky, that's the tripod. Anyway, I just wanted to give a quick video of what was happening out there. Some people playing in the snow because they're crazy. Hill behind my house. I think my grill is there. Maybe, it looks kind of like a grill. Get this off of here really quick. My patio is a wasteland. That out there, I don't know if you can see it, is Highway 26, and there are really no cars moving up or down the road. Oh, we just missed her biting it. That was too bad. Anyway, little clip outside my window. I'm closing this door now because it's really cold.